Welcome back to Next Gen Tool Zone, where today we're checking out 18 viral Amazon gadgets everyone is talking about and seeing which ones truly deserve the hype. From smart home upgrades to clever everyday tools, these products are trending for good reason. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump in and discover the gadgets making waves.
Silver Chill Nugget Pro. Silver Chill Nugget Pro is a compact and efficient cooling tool I personally like using when I need quick temperature relief during long working sessions. It delivers consistent cooling performance and feels surprisingly powerful for its size. I've used it in different environments and it always helps me stay comfortable, especially during warm days in the workshop. It's easy to operate, portable, and doesn't take up much space in my setup. I recommend it for anyone looking for a simple yet effective cooling solution for daily use. It has become one of those tools I didn't expect to use so often, but now I rely on it regularly in my workflow. Overall, I think it's a reliable everyday gadget that delivers comfort, convenience, and steady performance for users in any setting. Highly recommended tool. Lint Glow Turbo Shaver. Lint Glow Turbo Shaver is a powerful grooming tool I use regularly to keep clothes, fabrics, and surfaces looking clean and fresh. It removes lint and fuzz quickly and works efficiently on different types of fabric. I've used it on sweaters, upholstery, and bedding, and it consistently delivers smooth results without damaging materials. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and very convenient for quick cleaning tasks at home or on the go. I appreciate how reliable it is, especially when I need fast touch-ups before heading out. It has become one of those everyday essentials I keep close because it saves time and keeps everything looking neat. Overall, I recommend it for anyone wanting a simple, effective, and portable solution for keeping fabrics clean, fresh, and well-maintained in daily use situations. Highly recommended pick.
Turbo Clean Barbecue Scrubber. Turbo Clean Barbecue Scrubber is a heavy-duty cleaning tool I rely on to keep grills spotless after cooking sessions. It removes grease and burnt residue quickly, making grill maintenance much easier. I've used it on different grill types, and it always delivers strong scrubbing power without damaging surfaces. It feels sturdy in hand and makes post-cooking cleanup much faster and less frustrating. I like how efficient it is when dealing with stubborn grease buildup on barbecue racks. It has become a must-have in my outdoor cooking setup because it saves time and effort every time I use it. Overall, I highly recommend it for anyone who loves grilling and wants a reliable tool for deep cleaning that keeps equipment in great condition and improves cooking experience over time consistently. Very highly recommended tool today. Blackflow Rangemaster. Blackflow Rangemaster is a versatile kitchen and outdoor cooking tool I personally use for precise heat and cooking control. It helps me manage temperature more accurately when grilling or preparing different meals. I've used it in multiple cooking setups, and it consistently improves my cooking precision and results. It feels durable, easy to handle, and gives me confidence when working with high heat. I like how it simplifies cooking tasks and helps reduce guesswork in timing and temperature control. It has become a reliable part of my kitchen routine and outdoor grilling sessions. Overall, I recommend it for anyone who enjoys cooking and wants better control over heat accuracy, efficiency, and consistent results in both indoor and outdoor food preparation settings every day. Highly reliable, practical, and easy-to-use tool set. Storm Beam Tactical Torch. Storm Beam Tactical Torch is a powerful lighting tool I always keep with me for outdoor activities and emergency situations. It delivers extremely bright illumination and performs well even in dark or harsh weather conditions. I've used it during camping trips and power outages, and it never fails to provide reliable lighting. It feels durable in hand and offers multiple brightness modes for different situations. I like how easy it is to carry and how quickly it activates when needed. It has become one of my essential tools for safety and outdoor convenience. Overall, I highly recommend it for anyone who needs a dependable tactical flashlight for travel, outdoor adventures, emergencies, and everyday use, with strong performance, durability, and long-lasting battery efficiency. Very practical, reliable, and highly recommended everyday carry tool for users. Turbo Blast Air Duster. Turbo Blast Air Duster is a powerful cleaning tool I use to remove dust and debris from electronics and hard-to-reach spaces. It delivers strong airflow that quickly clears keyboards, computer parts, and workshop equipment. I've used it in my workspace to keep electronics clean, and it always performs reliably. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and makes cleaning tight areas much faster and more efficient. I like how powerful it feels despite its compact size and simple design. It has become an essential tool for maintaining clean electronics and improving device lifespan.
Overall, I recommend it for anyone who wants a reliable air cleaning solution for computers, gadgets, workshops, and delicate equipment. Offering strong performance, portability, and consistent dust removal results in everyday maintenance tasks, very practical and highly recommended for tech users everywhere used.
Laser Measuring Tool Adapter. The laser measuring tool adapter turns any standard measuring tool into a precise laser measuring device. I use it for home projects, furniture placement, or DIY tasks. The laser provides an exact reference point, reducing errors and saving time compared to traditional methods. Its compact design attaches easily to most tools, and the sturdy construction ensures accuracy and stability during use. I love that it's battery-operated and portable, allowing me to measure anywhere. The results are consistent, clear, and professional grade, making projects easier and more precise. For anyone who enjoys DIY, woodworking, or home improvement, this laser adapter is an innovative, practical, and essential gadget that brings precision and confidence to every task. 3-in-1 Laser Distance Meter. The 3-in-1 Laser Distance Meter is an incredibly versatile tool for measuring, calculating, and mapping distances. I use it for home improvement, renovations, and design projects. It measures length, area, and volume quickly with high accuracy, saving me from tedious tape measurements. The digital display is easy to read, and it's lightweight and portable, fitting in my hand comfortably. I also love the memory function, which stores previous readings for reference. The device works both indoors and outdoors, making it ideal for any project. For anyone who needs precise, efficient measurements, this gadget is a smart investment. It's convenient, reliable, and adds a professional touch to everyday tasks.
1080p built-in teleprompter. The 1080p built-in teleprompter is a must-have for content creators, presenters, or anyone recording videos. I use it to read scripts naturally while looking directly at the camera. The built-in display ensures smooth scrolling, and the 1080p resolution makes reading crisp and effortless. I love that it's compact and easy to set up on smartphones, tablets, or cameras. The adjustable angles allow comfortable viewing, reducing strain on my eyes and neck. It's perfect for professional quality recordings at home or on the go. Whether filming tutorials, presentations, or live streams, this teleprompter helps me maintain confidence, accuracy, and a polished appearance. For creators, it's an essential gadget for effortless performance.
AI Desktop Robot Companion. The AI Desktop Robot Companion is a fun and interactive gadget for work or study spaces. I place it on my desk and it responds to voice commands, plays music, provides reminders, and even tells jokes. The robot features AI learning, so it adapts to my routines and preferences, creating a personalized experience. I love the animated gestures and small display, making interactions engaging and lively. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, fitting anywhere on my workspace. This gadget is perfect for tech enthusiasts, students, or anyone seeking a smart, entertaining companion. For me, it's both functional and enjoyable, adding personality, assistance, and a touch of futuristic fun to my desk. Spiky Metal Fidget Spinner. The Spiky Metal Fidget Spinner is a unique twist on the classic stress relief toy. I use it during work, study, or breaks to reduce tension and stay focused. The metal construction feels sturdy and satisfying in hand, while the spiky design adds a tactile, sensory experience. I love how smoothly it spins for long durations without wobbling, and is compact enough to carry in my pocket. The spinner provides a calming effect, helping me release nervous energy or improve concentration. For anyone who enjoys fidget toys, sensory gadgets, or simply needs a stress relief tool, this metallic spiky spinner is a durable, engaging, and fun gadget that combines relaxation with style. Heated Air Leg Massager. The Heated Air Leg Massager is perfect for relaxation after a long day. I use it on my calves and feet while watching TV or working at home, and it provides soothing compression and warmth. The adjustable intensity and heat settings allow me to customize the massage for maximum comfort. I love that it's portable, lightweight, and easy to use anywhere. The soft, ergonomic design fits my legs comfortably while promoting blood circulation and relieving tension. I've noticed reduced fatigue and improved comfort after each session. For anyone who spends long hours sitting, standing, or exercising, this gadget combines heat, compression, and convenience to deliver a professional-style leg massage in the comfort of your home. MF50 Mini Air Blower. The MF50 Mini Air Blower is a must-have gadget for cleaning keyboards, cameras, and delicate electronics. I use it to remove dust, crumbs, and debris in hard-to-reach areas without risking damage. Its compact size makes it easy to hold and operate with precision. The powerful air output clears particles instantly, and it's quiet enough to use in shared spaces without disturbance. I also appreciate that it's battery-operated and portable, so I can carry it anywhere for quick cleaning sessions. This air blower is lightweight, durable, and extremely effective for maintaining electronics, photography equipment, or any small household items. For anyone who values cleanliness and gadget care, it's an indispensable tool. Folding Alloy Bike Lock. The Folding Alloy Bike Lock is a strong and portable security solution for bicycles. I use it when commuting or parking in public areas, and its sturdy design gives me peace of mind. The folding mechanism allows compact storage while still offering maximum security, unlike bulky chain locks. I love that it's lightweight yet durable, made from high-quality alloy that resists cutting or tampering. It's easy to carry in a backpack or mount on the bike frame. The locking system is intuitive, and it's compatible with a variety of bicycles. For anyone who wants to protect their bike without heavy or cumbersome locks, this gadget combines convenience, safety, and smart design seamlessly. Mini Clip-On Bluetooth Speaker. The Mini Clip-On Bluetooth speaker is perfect for music lovers on the move. I clip it to my backpack, bike, or even clothing, and instantly enjoy clear, high-quality audio anywhere. The Bluetooth connection is stable, and it pairs quickly with my phone or tablet. Despite its small size, the sound is surprisingly loud, with crisp mids and decent bass. I love that it's lightweight, waterproof, and rechargeable, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or beach trips. Its portable design and long battery life ensure uninterrupted listening all day. This speaker proves that you don't need a bulky device to enjoy music on the go. It's convenience and quality in a compact gadget.
Clip-on Job Site Bluetooth Speaker. The clip-on job site Bluetooth speaker is ideal for those who want portable music anywhere. I clip it to my backpack, helmet, or tool belt and instantly enjoy loud, clear audio. The Bluetooth connection is fast, reliable, and stable even in busy environments. I love the rugged, waterproof design. It withstands drops, dust, and weather without any damage. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, making it perfect for long workdays, hikes, or outdoor adventures. Its compact size ensures it doesn't interfere with movement or tools. For anyone needing a durable, convenient, and high-quality portable speaker, this gadget delivers entertainment wherever you are, adding fun and motivation to work or leisure activities.
AI Equestrian Tracking Pod. The AI Equestrian Tracking Pod is a cutting-edge gadget for riders and horse owners. I attach it to my horse's equipment, and it tracks speed, distance, heart rate, and route in real time. The AI-powered system provides insights into performance, fitness, and training progress. I love that it's lightweight, durable, and waterproof, perfect for outdoor riding. The accompanying app offers detailed analytics, helping me optimize workouts and monitor my horse's health. Setup is simple, and the pod syncs seamlessly with smartphones. For equestrians who want accurate, reliable data and performance tracking, this gadget is a game changer. It combines safety, technology, and convenience in a compact, innovative device for any rider. Wall Outlet Extender Shelf. The Wall Outlet Extender Shelf turns ordinary outlets into a multifunctional station. I use it to charge phones, tablets, and other devices, while adding a small shelf for keys, remotes, or decor. Its compact, sturdy design keeps items secure without blocking the plug or being obtrusive. I love that it's easy to install. Simply plug in and it's ready to go. The extender works with multiple outlet types and includes USB ports for additional charging. It's perfect for small spaces like kitchens, offices, or bedrooms. For anyone who wants to maximize outlet utility while keeping surfaces organized, this gadget is clever, practical, and space-saving. It's one of those small innovations that makes daily life easier. Ultra Portable Mini Projector. The Ultra Portable Mini Projector is a gadget that transforms any room or outdoor space into a personal theater. I use it to watch movies, play games, or present slides during work. Despite its small size, it delivers bright, clear images with sharp details and vibrant colors. The setup is quick, and it connects easily via HDMI, USB, or wireless options. I love that it's lightweight and rechargeable, allowing me to carry it anywhere, from the living room to camping trips. Its compact design doesn't compromise quality, making it ideal for entertainment or presentations on the go. For anyone seeking a fun, portable projector solution, this gadget is incredibly versatile and enjoyable. 3-in-1 Electric Nail Trimmer. The 3-in-1 electric nail trimmer is a game changer for nail care at home. I use it on my nails, pets' nails, and even on hard-to-reach corners without any hassle. It combines trimming, filing, and polishing in a single compact gadget, saving time and space. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, while multiple speed settings give precise control for different nail types. I love the quiet motor. It's gentle and doesn't scare pets. The rechargeable battery lasts long, making it portable for travel. It's also safe, effective, and easy to clean. For anyone tired of traditional nail tools or seeking convenience, this electric trimmer delivers professional results in the comfort of your home. 3-in-1 MagSafe Charger Station. The 3-in-1 MagSafe Charger Station is perfect for keeping all your devices powered without clutter. I use it for my phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously. The MagSafe alignment ensures fast, secure charging while preventing misplacement. Its sleek, compact design fits neatly on my desk or nightstand, adding style as well as functionality. I love that it's portable and easy to set up. Just plug in and it works seamlessly. The station supports multiple devices without overheating or slowing down charging speed. For anyone who wants an organized, convenient, and high-tech charging solution, this gadget is a must-have. It simplifies my routine and keeps my devices ready whenever I need them.
Handheld Stress Relief Roller. The handheld stress relief roller is one of my favorite desk gadgets for relaxation and muscle relief. I use it on my shoulders, neck, back, and legs after long hours of work or gaming. The rolling mechanism applies just the right amount of pressure, soothing tension and increasing blood flow. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and target specific muscles comfortably. I love that it's portable. I can keep it in my bag, car, or office drawer. It's also quiet, making it ideal for stress relief without disturbing coworkers or family. This simple tool has improved my comfort and focus, proving that small gadgets can make a big difference in everyday wellness and relaxation.
Mini Travel Garment Steamer. The Mini Travel Garment Steamer is a lifesaver for keeping clothes wrinkle-free on the go. I use it during trips, business meetings, and last-minute events. Despite its small size, it produces powerful steam that smooths fabrics quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, while the quick heating function gets it ready in seconds. I appreciate that it's lightweight and portable, fitting neatly into my travel bag without taking space. Unlike bulky irons, this steamer works on delicate fabrics like silk and polyester without damage. It's also easy to refill, clean, and maintain. For anyone who travels often, this gadget keeps your wardrobe crisp, neat, and fresh with minimal effort. Ergonomic Jar Bottle Opener. The ergonomic jar bottle opener is a surprisingly handy kitchen gadget that makes opening stubborn jars and bottles effortless. I use it daily for jars, wine bottles, and even twist-off caps that normally require significant effort. Its ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain on my hands. The strong, non-slip mechanism ensures the lid turns easily without slipping, even on tightly sealed containers. I also love how compact it is, making it easy to store in a drawer. This opener is durable, versatile, and a lifesaver for anyone with limited hand strength or arthritis. It's one of those small gadgets that consistently saves time, energy, and frustration in everyday tasks.
Thanks for watching Next Zen Tool Zone and checking out these Amazon gadgets with me today. Whether you're looking for upgrades, useful tools, or fun tech that makes life easier, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which gadget impressed you the most or which one you plan to try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for pricing, product details, and more information.